You've seen Dad go to work a lot as kids. He was away, working big hours and on weekends, and sometimes people say, what'd you go and do that for? You know what I mean? You saw what it was like.
We've always grown up in hardware. It's in our blood.
There is a sense of pride in James and Laura coming up. They've made it happen, and that's the pleasing part about it all.
When Hazelwood closed down, it was a bit scary. Everyone was a bit worried about the job losses.
It is something that you come home at night and think about, like, what can we do to make sure that TM&H still is there tomorrow?
We started seeing an increase in ladies shopping on the weekends, wanting to learn more about doing DIYs. So we started up our ladies' night. We want women to feel comfortable in a hardware store, and it's been a great success.
We do the biggest morning tea every year. There's a lot of customers bring in plates of food, and we do raise a fair bit of money, which is really good, and a lot of that's backed by a local community.
And they all donate towards the Cancer Council. December last year, Mum was diagnosed with breast cancer. It was quite a journey for the whole family. So this year, the biggest morning tea was very special to us.
My wife, Lynn, she was like the glue to the family. She was like a rock.
We've seen friends with cancer. When it happens directly within your own immediate family, I think we're all a bit stubborn about thinking that everything's under control and everything's just going to keep going the way it does.
Our community, they just all band together and help each other out. So that's what I love about it.
I think at the end of the day, if everyone just sticks together and does what we've got to do and look after each other, then we're right.